Hey there friends, and welcome back to our channel Levitas. Today, we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar and its remarkable benefits for weight loss. From boosting metabolism to curbing cravings, apple cider vinegar has long been hailed as a powerful elixir for shedding those stubborn fats. But what exactly makes this tangy tonic so effective? Come on and join us as we uncover the science behind apple cider vinegar and its role in promoting a healthier, happier you. Get ready to be amazed. Get ready to lose those stubborn fats. What is the science behind apple cider vinegar? Let's start by understanding what this amazing apple cider vinegar is and how it's made. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from crushed apples and yeast, which converts the sugars, glucose and fructose, into alcohol. This resulting alcohol then undergoes a second fermentation process, where bacteria turn it into acetic acid, the main active component of apple cider vinegar. It's this acetic acid that gives apple cider vinegar its potent health-promoting, fat-burning properties. Got to love those fermenting bacteria, right? Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV, contains approximately 3 calories and negligible amounts of macronutrients. It's virtually fat-free, has no significant amounts of protein or carbohydrates. This makes ACV a versatile elixir to a variety of dietary lifestyles, including those focused on the hormonal way of weight management and also calorie-conscious eating. While apple cider vinegar may not be a powerhouse of macronutrients, it does contain small amounts of essential vitamins and minerals. Potassium, for example, is a notable micronutrient found in ACV, with approximately 11 mg per tablespoon. As it is known, potassium plays an essential role in maintaining you hydrated, keeping your muscles functioning accordingly, and keep nerve transmission fluent in the whole body. Additionally, apple cider vinegar contains trace amounts of other minerals like phosphorus and magnesium, which are essential for bone health, energy, and cellular function. While these micronutrients' concentration may not contribute significantly to your daily nutrient intake, every little bit counts when it comes to supporting optimal health, weight loss and well-being. The true nutritional powerhouse of apple cider vinegar lies in its unique composition of organic acids and bioactive compounds. The most notable is acetic acid, which is responsible for ACV's sour taste and many of its health-promoting properties. In addition to acetic acid, ACV contains other bioactive compounds like polyphenols and antioxidants, which have been linked to various health benefits, including increased fat loss, reduced inflammation, improved heart and brain health, and enhanced immune function. How is it that apple cider vinegar aids in weight loss? So now that we know what apple cider vinegar is and how it's produced, it is time for us to deep dive into the effects it has on weight loss, and how they work to help you in your fat-burning journey. 1. Boosts metabolism. Studies suggest that acetic acid may help increase metabolism, allowing your body to burn fat more efficiently. By enhancing fat oxidation and reducing fat storage, apple cider vinegar can support your weight loss efforts. You may have 1 or 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water before every meal. Remember to dilute it well, because since it is an acid it can give a burn feeling in the back of your throat. 2. Curbs appetite and cravings. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent glucose spikes, as well as insulin spikes and crashes that lead to cravings for sugary and high-calorie, high-carb foods. By stabilizing blood sugar, apple cider vinegar can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce overall calorie and carbohydrate intake, making your craving magically vanish. 3. Improves digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar before meals may aid in digestion by stimulating stomach acid production and promoting the breakdown of food. This can prevent bloating, gas, indigestion, and other digestive issues that may contribute to weight gain. At the same time, it can help you to the better absorption of the nutrients in your food, since it will promote the breakdown of your meal. Balances pH levels. Apple cider vinegar has properties which can help restore the body's natural pH balance. By creating a more balanced environment, apple cider vinegar may support overall health and facilitate your efforts on weight loss. Helps your microbiome. Apple cider vinegar with the mother can help you in the path to restore your good microbiome, and also aid you in the repair of your gut wall. This means it can help with leaky gut syndrome. So, what are our easy tips that will help you in incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine? 1. Start slowly. Begin by diluting apple cider vinegar with a glass of water to avoid any potential side effects, burn feeling or discomfort. Start with 1 or 2 spoons per day and gradually increase the dosage as you get used to having it on a daily basis. 2. Choose the right type. Always opt for organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, a cloudy sediment containing beneficial enzymes and probiotics. This ensures you're getting the highest quality and most potent form of apple cider vinegar, meaning that you will be able to get the best out of all of its marvelous effects as well. 3. Mix it up. Get creative with how you incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. Add it to salad dressings, marinades, or homemade sauces, or mix it into a refreshing drink with water, lemon, and a touch of stevia or monk fruit. It doesn't have to be a torture to have it and to enjoy of all its potent effects. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and flush out toxins from your system. This can enhance the effects of apple cider vinegar and help you with your overall weight loss efforts. Addressing potential side effects. Apple cider vinegar is miraculous and totally safe for people when consumed in moderation. Some individuals may experience side effects such as digestive issues or a burning sensation in the throat. To minimize discomfort, always dilute apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and avoid consuming it in huge quantities. In conclusion, there you have it, friends. The amazing secret to successful weight loss may just be hiding right there in your pantry, and it is apple cider vinegar. By incorporating this low-cost yet powerful ingredient into your daily routine, you can supercharge your weight loss journey and achieve your health and fitness goals faster than ever before. So, if you are trying to improve your body composition by reducing subcutaneous fat and visceral fat, why not give apple cider vinegar a shot and experience the magic of ACV for yourself? Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest videos on weight loss, health and fitness content. We love hearing from you, so be sure to leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts and experiences with apple cider vinegar. Your support helps us grow and to create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.